With the deadline for single touch payroll fast approaching, business owners who employ will be required to set up employee reporting for single touch payroll via a compliant payroll program. QuickBooks Online offers a simple solution for single touch payroll reporting. From the Employee Centre, simply activate the file for single touch payroll using the handy wizard. First step is to click on the Employee Centre. On the top right-hand corner is the green Enable Single Touch Payroll button. Click on that and then familiarise yourself with what is single touch payroll, and once happy about that, click on Proceed. Confirm or update your business details and click on Next. This next section is about who will be lodging the single touch payroll events for the business. As an employer, the employer will lodge all single touch payroll submissions to the ATO. As a registered agent, the external registered BAS or tax agent will lodge all or some of the single touch payroll submissions to the tax office. Or as an intermediary, the employer will lodge all single touch payroll submissions to the ATO, and there is more than one employing entity set up in the business. Make your selection and click on Next. The final step is to let the ATO know the business's unique software ID. Using either of the two methods, provide the ATO with both the software provider name, KeyPay, and the software ID number unique to the business. Note, option 2 can still be used even if you do have an AusKey. Call the ATO on the provided number to register the software ID and allow about 5 minutes for the call. Tick the acknowledgement box and then click on Complete to finalise the activation of single touch payroll within your QuickBooks file. I know you're excited to get started, but please don't forget to register the business's unique software ID with the ATO. You're now enabled and ready to start your first single touch payroll submission.